The ultimate social media marketing ads guide. With social media marketing ads, businesses can target a specific audience with laser precision. But what are the best practices for creating and running social media marketing ads? How can businesses make sure their ads are effective and reach the right people? Photo ads. Social media marketing has become one of the most popular forms of advertising. It allows businesses to reach out to customers directly through images and videos. As such, in the age of digital media, photo ads are a powerful way to reach potential customers. However, there are a few things to keep in mind if you want to create effective photo ads. The first thing to consider is your audience. Who are you trying to reach with your ad? Knowing your target audience will help you to choose the right photo and create a message that resonates with them. The second thing to consider is your goal. What do you want your ad to achieve? Do you want to generate leads, sell products, or increase brand awareness? Photo ads are a powerful way to reach potential customers. Done well, it can be an effective way to generate leads and sales. However, there are a few things to keep in mind if you want to create effective photo ads. Understanding your goals will help you to determine which type of image works best. Finally, think about which platform you should publish your photo on. You might find that Instagram is more appropriate than Pinterest or LinkedIn. Video ads. If you're a business owner, you're aware of the power of video marketing. It can help increase engagement, sales, and conversions, while boosting brand awareness. See more stats. And since you already own equipment like cameras, audio recorders, and editing software, why not use it to create high-quality videos to share across social platforms? If you're looking to create video content for your business, you're in luck. The popularity of video content is only increasing, and there are a ton of separate ways to create videos that are both effective and engaging. In this blog post, we're going to give you a guide to creating video ads that get results. How video works. A brief introduction. Video advertising works by displaying short clips on websites, blogs, or apps. When someone watches these videos, they may visit the site associated with the advertisement. This is called affinity directing. If someone sees a video about pet sitting, they might also watch a commercial for dog walking services. This article will help you learn how to create effective video ads that engage your customers. How to use YouTube videos to promote your business. On YouTube, advertisers pay to show their promotional messages to viewers. If you don't have a large budget to invest in TV commercials, YouTube offers a low-cost alternative. You can upload and host your video yourself or hire a company to do it. Either way, make sure your ads are compelling enough, so people will click and view your full video. There's no need to worry about the intricacies of SEO once you've got your video uploaded. YouTube takes care of all of that for you. Here are some things to keep in mind when planning your next YouTube strategy. Stories ads. Instagram Stories ads guide you through the process of creating and running your first Instagram story ad campaign. The steps will include setting up an account, choosing a target audience, generating creative assets for that audience, making sure to optimize your video content with sound and motion graphics, if applicable, selecting a budget plan and set daily spend limit, adding tracking codes or conversion pixels on each placement's website if desired to track conversions such as form submissions at checkout or purchases made from within the app. Go purchase. So always make sure you have a clear button that directs people somewhere specific. A good rule of thumb is to not try and sell something without having a call to action. For example, if you were selling a product but didn't tell anyone where to buy it, then what would happen is you wouldn't be able to convert traffic into leads because no one knows where to. Messenger ads. Facebook has recently launched Messenger ads which allow businesses to promote their products and services through chat messages. These ads appear in users' inboxes and are like regular Facebook posts. They can include links to websites, videos, articles, and images. The ads will show up in both the desktop and mobile versions of Messenger. Other platforms. There are also plenty of options when it comes to promoting your business on social media. For example, Twitter's business account lets you display promoted tweets as cards within your timeline. You're able to choose from 3 different formats: featured tweets, promoted accounts, and promoted hashtags. LinkedIn promotes posts according to what they think your ideal customer would post about. So, if you're trying to sell something related to computers, you might see more posts from computer companies. Since LinkedIn shows only the last few posts made by each user, marketers must use a high volume of unique connections to make sure their ads receive attention. YouTube offers similar features to help advertisers find new leads. It's possible to upload a list of keywords, so the platform surfaces relevant ads. There's also a tool called Google Ads that helps businesses monitor the performance of their ads. And there are several tools that combine search data and social listening to help you identify the best time to run your campaign. Instagram Stories Ads. As of July 2016, Instagram Stories ads feature similar functionality to Snapchat Stories ads. You can add links, call actions and text to your story. Like Snapchat Stories, they also disappear after 24 hours. Businesses can promote their products and services by adding a link to either the main feed or to another post within their account. Once someone clicks through to that post, they're taken to a web browser where they learn more about the company and its products. Facebook ads. Social media marketing has become one of the most popular ways to advertise online. It's easy to set up, and it allows you to target specific demographics. Facebook has quickly become one of the largest networks. There are currently 1.79 billion active monthly users on Facebook, and more than half of them log in at least once every day. So, if you want to effectively use Facebook to market your business, it's critical to learn about diverse types of ads. You may have even heard of a few by now. Here are just a few. Facebook ads help marketers create ads that work well on Facebook. When you create an ad using Facebook ads, you tell Facebook what you want to accomplish. Then, Facebook creates the ad and runs it live on its site. To see results from the ad, you need to target your audience. Ad formats. As mentioned earlier, there are diverse types of Facebook ads. Some ads include graphics, pictures, or buttons to trigger actions. Others focus more on textually. For example, you could run an image of a dog or cat and ask your followers to like the post. Another option would be to run a photo of a house for sale and ask people to check it out. Audience targeting. Once you choose a type of ad format, you can also choose targeted groups of people. For example, you might decide that you want to target women between the ages of 18 and 34. Bidding strategies. After selecting an audience and selecting a type of ad, advertisers then bid on keywords related to their products or services. Advertisers compete against each other to place the highest bids. If your ad catches the eye of a potential customer, he or she will click on it. Then, you'll earn a commission when you make a purchase later. The most used terms. Like any form of advertising, you must carefully consider your goals when crafting your ad. One mistake many people make is focusing too much time on the wrong terms. Selecting the right terms can increase your conversion rate dramatically. The best time to run an ad campaign. A lot depends on your niche. If you sell shoes, you won't find as much success running an ad during the football season as you do during the summer months. You can't measure ROI, because Facebook ads aren't measured like Google ads. You can't easily calculate return on investment, ROI. Instead, you should judge whether they were successful by analyzing engagement metrics such as likes, comments, shares, and conversions. Instagram ads. Social media marketing has become one of the most popular ways to advertise online. It's easy to set up an ad campaign, but it takes time to see results. If you want to increase your conversion rates, then you need to optimize your campaigns. That means making sure your ads are relevant, interesting, and engaging. As Instagram continues to grow in popularity, with over 700 million users worldwide and 400 million daily active users, according to Statista 2018, businesses are spending a larger proportion of their digital marketing budgets on Instagram than ever before. By 2020, it's estimated that businesses across all industries will spend $15 billion on Instagram alone. According to Business Insider Intelligence, brands who already have a strong presence on the platform see higher levels of engagement and referral traffic from posts shared here. That's why it makes sense to jump into the world of Instagram marketing. Then, we'll teach you how to create a profile that gets noticed.
We'll show you how to use hashtags effectively. You'll learn how to find great photos to use on your account.
And finally, we'll explain how to take advantage of Instagram's advertising features. Facebook ads allow companies to promote their products and services instantly by posting messages about them on the Facebook news feed of people who happen to view that company's page. Advertisers must pay to access this targeted audience. They bid on keywords associated with whatever they sell, and when their bids reach a certain level, their ads appear alongside everyone else's organic status updates, friend suggestions, questions, comments, and reactions on Facebook.com, mobile device apps and Messenger. Advertisers may not always succeed in getting their ad displayed due to competition from other ads. The cost per click, CPC, is low because advertisers only pay when someone clicks on their link. One common misconception about social media marketing is that if you do enough of it, you're going to make money.
The truth is you still need to put work into your business for it to grow.
Having said that, there are several places where you can focus your energy depending on what type of business you run.
Whether you are looking for more customers, leads, sales, or new revenue streams, there are things that you can do to move forward. LinkedIn?
Everything you need to know. LinkedIn ads can be a fantastic way to reach out to potential customers and increase brand awareness. But, like all forms of advertising, LinkedIn ads can be complicated and confusing if you're not familiar with the terminology or how the process works. In this guide, we'll explain everything you need to know about LinkedIn ads, from creating your first campaign to targeting your audience and measuring your results. We'll also go over some tips and tricks for getting the most out of your LinkedIn ads.
Influencers.
Social media marketing ads allow brands to target specific audiences based on demographic information, location, and interests. For example, if you want to promote a new restaurant to people who live near a certain area, you could run a Facebook ad campaign targeting those users. Or, if you wanted to promote a new product to people who like hiking, you could target them using interest-based advertising.
How to make the most of a social media algorithm.
Social media algorithms are constantly changing.
They change because people use them differently than they did before.
For example, Facebook has changed its newsfeed algorithm, so it displays posts from friends first, then family members, followed by brands and businesses.
If you want to reach your audience, you'll need a strategy that takes into consideration changes like this.
Hashtags. Social media marketing ads allow you to target specific audiences based on interests, demographics, behaviors, and location. For example, if you want to promote a new product but only to people who live in New York City, you could run a Facebook ad targeting just those users.
Know your audience.
Social media advertising is all about finding out who your target market is, then creating content that will appeal to them. If you don't know who your target market is yet, it's best to start by asking yourself some questions.
Who am I trying to reach? What do they want from me? Why should they care about me? Once you have answers to those questions, you can begin to think about the type of content you want to produce.
Shares.
These platforms are great for reaching a wide audience at once. Engagement.
Social media advertising has become a trendy way to reach customers. It's especially useful for businesses who want to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and so on.
But it's not easy to figure out which platforms will best suit your business goals. Strategy.
Social media marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to market your business online.
It's also one of the easiest methods to implement.